Hi everybody, I'm Lucien and today I will walk you through project 1 for CS50. So this is the entry page. In here I have all the available pages as of now. As soon as I click, for example, this page is CSS, the route will go to WIKI CSS and the page will render the Markdown into an HTML format. For example, let's say I want to have a Flask page. I click here and obviously this page is not available. So I have an error here saying it's not available. I have also this quick shortcut to go back to the home page or to create a new page. So if I go back to the home page, I have again all the pages available. And now I want to create a new page. So good, let's create a new page called Flask. So as a title, Flask is similar to Django using Python framework as an example. Also, we can add new item like this, new items, etc. etc. As you can see, as soon as you type, you have a direct preview down below. So this can be submit now, and the new page has been created. As soon as the page is created, the page is automatically open, and this is the actual page. Wiki and now Flask here. So now I can go back to my home page and I can see that Flask has been added just here. So let's go back onto the Flask page and now I can edit some stuff on the page. So let's say I remove this. Now I can see the preview down here and I can submit. The change has been successfully completed. I can also delete the page, obviously. This will delete the entire page. Delete page, boom, page deleted. Let's go back to the home page. Now I have also the random page in here, which will automatically choose a random page. So let's click on it. I have the CSS page. I have the Python page. And obviously I can always go and edit the page again directly here. Test item as an example, and you can see this works perfectly. We have also the search articles up here, the search page. So let's say I want to search for Flask. Obviously we deleted the page, so now it should be normally empty. Search, it says nothing found for entry Flask. If I search for, I don't know, Django, automatically it found the entry Django and it will open the page directly. If I just type Django, it will get me some results, and here I have the Django as an example. Another example can be O only. I have Django and Python, which contain the letter O. Python, here we are. Good, that covers the project 1 for CS50 2020. Thank you for listening.